In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop OneDrive Photos albums counting against storage quota. If your OneDrive storage is filling up because of photo albums or image files you no longer need, this process will help you free up space quickly and make sure those files stop counting toward your storage limit. I'll walk you through the cleanup process and also show you an optional setting you can turn off so photos and screenshots don't keep uploading automatically in the future. To begin, open your OneDrive account in your browser and sign in if needed. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand panel and click My Files. From there, open your Pictures folder, or whichever folder contains the photos or albums you want to remove. Take a moment here to review what's using space. If you want to be more selective, you can base your cleanup on file size, so you remove the items taking up the most storage first. Now select the photos or albums you want to delete. Once you've highlighted the correct items, click Delete. A confirmation pop-up will appear, and when it does, click Delete again to confirm. This removes the files from your main OneDrive area, but keep in mind they may still continue counting against your storage until they're fully removed from the recycle bin. Next, go back to the left-hand panel and click Recycle Bin. You should now see the items you just deleted. To permanently clear them and actually free up the space, click Empty Recycle Bin. Another confirmation message will appear, and when it does, click Yes. This is the step that completes the storage cleanup, so don't skip it if your goal is to reduce your used quota. If you want to prevent this from happening again, there's one more optional step you can take. Click the OneDrive cloud icon, then click the Settings gear and choose Settings again. In the Settings window, select Sync and Backup from the left panel. Here you can disable the option to save photos and videos from devices. If you'd like, you can also turn off the setting that saves screenshots to OneDrive. Both of these options use simple toggles on the right side, so just switch them off if you no longer want those files uploading automatically. Once that's done, your unnecessary photo files are removed, your recycle bin is cleared, and your storage should be more manageable going forward. And that's it.